2020 saw our live music industry decimated. 2021 Sounds Better Together is about getting our musos and all of the crews who make shows happen back to work again, and audiences back to sharing the joy of live music. Tonight, we celebrate the return of live music in the State of Music.
When the machine starts up again.
Featuring Jimmy Barnes, Tones and I, Missy Higgins, James Rain, Daryl Braithwaite, the Teskey Brothers, Archie Roach, Ross Wilson, Birds of Tokyo with the Melbourne Symphony Orchestra, The Living End, Something for Kate, Vicar and Linda, Gordy, and many more.
Good evening to you, I'm David Campbell and welcome to Sounds Better Together. After enduring one of the toughest lockdowns in the world, we're celebrating the return of live music thanks to Visit Victoria by taking you to venues all across this beautiful state. I am joined tonight by my co-host, Channel 9's very own Madeline Slattery and broadcaster Jane Gazzo. Hey Jane.
Thanks David, I'm in beautiful Yarra Valley, Victoria's oldest